Hi there, I'm Nikia from WorkplaceBuddy, and today we're diving into Microsoft 365 Copilot, your AI-powered assistant that helps you work faster, think bigger, and get more done. Now, just a heads up, this is the premium version of Copilot, which means you'll need an additional license. We're not talking about the free Copilot in your browser. This one's built right into Microsoft 365 apps. And don't worry, Copilot only uses the data you already have access to. So no, you can't peek into your manager's inbox or see files you're not authorized to view. Sorry. Let's take a look at how it works. Whether you're crunching numbers or brainstorming ideas, everything starts with a prompt. What's a prompt, you ask? Great question. A prompt is simply the instruction or question you give to Copilot. As smart as the AI is, it still needs clear direction from you. Think of it like a super intelligent personal assistant. You've just got to tell it what you want. You can type your own prompt or use one of the suggested prompts built into the app. Now, let's take a look at how it all works in the apps you use every day. In Microsoft Teams, Copilot helps you stay on top of meetings and collaboration. You'll find a dedicated Copilot chat where you can ask questions like, what did we decide in last week's meeting? Or where's the latest version of the budget? And in regular chats, Copilot can rewrite messages, adjust tone, or summarize threads. During meetings, it can generate real-time summaries and action items, so you can stay focused and never miss a detail. In Outlook, Copilot is your email sidekick. It can help you draft emails, refine your tone, or summarize long threads so you don't have to scroll forever. Need to schedule a meeting? Just ask Copilot to find a time that works, and it will check calendars, suggest a slot, and send the invite. Done. In Excel, Copilot turns into a data pro, even if you're not one. You can ask it to analyze trends, generate formulas, highlight key data, or even create charts. Got a huge data set? Just say, highlight all products that sold over 100 units, and Copilot will do it instantly. In PowerPoint, it can turn a Word doc into a slide deck, suggest layouts, or even generate speaker notes. It's like having a creative partner built right into your workflow. Your work life is about to get a lot easier. Feeling excited? Then jump into Microsoft 365 apps and let Copilot take your productivity to the next level. Good luck.
If you don't subscribe to the channel, this alpaca will get it!